Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ray, and today we are going to be talking about the benefits of avocado oil on natural hair. Avocado toast, anyone? If we ate less avocados, we would be millionaires, according to a boomer. Over the last decade, avocados have become a buzzword in popular culture, especially when jabs are being conjured about overspending amongst millennials. Some experts suggest if we put the avocado toast down, we would miraculously solve our money woes. Eating less avocados may not solve your money issues, but its oil, avocado oil, may be able to address your hair woes. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and entertainment purposes. Please consult a healthcare professional before using any new products, especially if pregnant, nursing, or managing a health condition. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of avocado oil on natural hair. And God said, "Behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is on the face of all the earth, and every tree with seed in its fruit. You shall have them for food." Genesis 1:29. What is avocado oil? Avocado oil is an oil that is used for both culinary and cosmetic purposes and is extracted from the pulp of the avocado fruit. Where does it come from? Where does avocado oil come from? The avocado fruit comes from the avocado tree. This pear-shaped fruit is said to hail from Central Americas, such as areas like Guatemala and Mexico in North America, but can be found across several tropical regions such as Africa and the Caribbean. How is it extracted? To extract the oil from the fruit is first ripened. The avocado must be ripe before it can be used to make oil. Once the fruit is ripe, it is then washed. The seed or stone of the fruit is discarded, and so is the skin. What is left is the flesh of the fruit, and this is what produces the oil. The flesh of the fruit is then pressed into a pulp. The pulp is separated from the oil through a centrifuge process. This involves spinning content, in this case the avocado pulp, at a high speed that forces the oil and water out of the pulp. The oil is less dense than the water, and because of this, flows through strategic holes that are placed in the drum. The oil produced is a beautiful green color which has a slight thickness to it, also known as avocado oil. Another method used to extract the green liquid goddess is via the use of solvents. The avocado fruit is first dried, and then a solvent is used, typically acetone. Acetone is used to extract the oil from the dried matter. The end result is avocado oil. The latter extraction method will produce a cold-pressed, unrefined avocado oil, whilst the former produced a refined version of avocado oil. The benefits of avocado oil on natural hair. Avocado oil moisturizes and strengthens the hair. Avocado oil is rich in oleic acid and other fatty acids that deeply hydrate and moisturize hair, helping to prevent dryness and breakage. The oil's ability to penetrate the hair shaft also contributes to strengthening the hair from within. Another benefit: promotes hair growth. Avocado oil can stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which can encourage hair growth. It also contains a number of vitamins and nutrients like vitamin E, B vitamins, B6, B5, and folate, and vitamin K, which are beneficial for hair health and growth. Reduces dandruff. Avocado's oil antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help combat dandruff causing bacteria and fungi, as well as soothe itchy scalp. Protects against damage. The oil can act as a shield against UV damage and other environmental stresses, helping to maintain the integrity of the hair structure. For a bonus tip, head over to thenaturalhairtoolkit.com. How to use avocado oil in your natural hair. Moisturizing and sealing. The penetrative elements of the avocado oil make it an excellent choice for sealing in the moisture in your natural hair. The oil can be used to assist with the hydration process whilst applied after washing. Pre-poo. If you suffer from dryness and breakage, then you may want to use avocado oil as a pre-poo. The oil's ability to penetrate the hair shaft means it can aid as a protective barrier against the stripping element of shampooing. I actually have a video on pre-pooing, so please do check it out. And for more ways on how to use avocado oil, ensure you head over to thenaturalhairtoolkit.com. Where can you buy avocado oil? Where can you find avocado oil? You can find avocado oil online at local supermarkets, health stores, or you can even do a DIY. There are a number of videos online that show you how to make avocado oil at home. It's quite a long process, but if you have the time, why not give it a go? Thank you so much for watching. Have you ever used avocado oil? If so, let us know down below in the comments how you found the oil. Thank you so much for watching. Please ensure that you share this video with at least one friend. Have a good day, Ray.
Well done.
Thank you.